In India's journey towards becoming a global superpower, financial literacy stands as a key milestone, taking forward the Government of India's mission of Vittya Saksharta to the next level and promoting understanding of tax laws, accounting, and diverse facets of the financial system. Financial and Tax Literacy Directorate of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India organized a Finfluencer meet in New Delhi, wherein leading financial influencers congregated to deliberate on educating masses on financial knowledge.
There are only 27% financial literacy in this country. Now, if this country has to be developed in 2047, every common man should know the basics of the finance.
The event brought together over 40 esteemed chartered accountants who are leading Finfluencers in a collective mission to enhance financial literacy across the nation using the power of social media.
We have achieved a lot. So many people have derived inspiration, have derived knowledge and set their financial goals. They could understand the limited tax as they need for their own financial incomes. And this has been a big hit.
These financial soldiers gathered and shared their insights and strategies. It was a moment of unity, with the shared goal of making financial knowledge accessible to all, leveraging the vast reach of social media. It is now more important than ever to use digital platforms to reach and educate the masses, breaking down complex financial concepts into understandable content.
This is the first ideation meeting to start with, that how we can collaborate with financial influencers and take this initiative further.
We want to protect the countrymen who is not so educated in financial and tax matters.
What kind of mandate has been given by ICAI to us is to kind of collaborate with ICAI, make great content and make everybody financially literate.
बाकी चैनल्स पे आप देखेंगे कि आपको व्यूअरशिप के लिए ही कंटेंट मिल रहा है, उसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी क्या है कुछ नहीं पता.
The CA community will help to give correct guidance to a larger audience.
This is definitely a very great step towards financial literacy. We as financial influencers can reach a large audience and can definitely help them with the basic of finance which the people are still lacking.
ICAI has taken up a very nice initiative which is about increasing the financial literacy amongst masses. Social media is one of the most powerful mediums through which we can reach out to masses and in the least possible time.
The entire experience was surreal, to be honest. First of all, to be in a room with 40 chartered accountants. Secondly, to be in a room with 40 chartered accountants who are also creating content like you.
These 40 people spend a lot of time creating content. They have come from different parts of the country, have their own unique stories to share. It's going to go a long way in creating the goal of financial literacy come true. It has been a very successful event. I mean, I never knew that there are chartered accountants who are so successful in the whole influencing space.
The Government of India has set the target for 2047 as India being developed nation, and financial and tax literacy amongst the citizens of India will play a big role in that direction. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, through its huge network and army of Finfluencers, are poised to collaborate and harness the power of social media, making financial education a reality for every citizen of our motherland.